tayo, magaling sa tail. See a good tail. It helps in balance of the body.
Uy, sabi upo lang kuya. Huwag kahawakan yung ano.
That's like that.
Oh my God, nangangagat ba yan, kuya?
Yes, kuya.
Nak, wag ah.
Sariya ka.
Kulong sa malapit sa'yo. Discover kung they are happy, they have a high speed trail when they are annoyed. They can run, howling breathe. They also use their body clock to smell to mark their territory.
Kuya, next time magpupo kasi mapapahama kayo yung reason kayo lagi sa mga instruction.
Just like that. And lastly folks, here in the Philippines, Biston rocks can only be found in the beautiful island of Palawan, right? That's why they're also referred as the Palawan Berta. So, I want a big hand for Luna, our little friend. Gather with you and say, bye, Luna. Wait, now, moving on. This world is truly wild and crazy. Imagine spending half of your life looking at the world upside down.